Hello friends, welcome back to bharatcoders. So today video we are going to see how to capture the exact location of employee while we are doing the employee check-in and check-out in Frappe. So let's start the system. Terminal page start. Let me reload it. Okay, now let's switch to desk. So whenever we do employee check-in, employee check-in. So while employee check-in, if you see, uh, we have here option to fetch location. So how to enable this like features? By default it is not enabled, so you have you have to go to HR settings, and if you see in HR setting there is one option like allow geolocation tracking. So if I disable this and if I refresh it, this option is gone, right? So now this option to capture the location is gone. So to enable this you have come to HR settings and just enable this checkbox, like check this allow geolocation tracking and save it. So I have already given the permission for location, so it is not asking. If you are enabling for the first time, it will ask for like device location. You have to just give the access of locations. Then if you refresh it, here you can see the location. This features was actually available in version 15 and also in version 16. I will also show this in version 16. If I go to employee checking list, if I want to add, I have already like enabled that settings. So I will show you in HR settings. I have already enabled this. Where it is, let me check. This allow geolocation tracking. So this is version 16. So this option is already in version 16 and in version 15. Like in both versions, this option was already there. So to you have to first enable from the HR setting, then you can like capture the exact location. I will show you how. Let's give an employee name, select any employee, and let's say I will log type is in and fetch geolocation. So it will ask like know your locations. You will have to just allow this time or allow while visiting this site. You have to give permission, so it will automatically fetch the correct location of the employee. When you save it, it already got your latitude and longitude. So with this latitude and longitude, it is going to capture the exact location of the employee when they are like saving or submitting the employee check-in and check-out. So if I save it, transaction cannot be created for an inactive employee. So this is this employee is inactive, that is why I'm getting this error. So let's see, somewhere status should be there. Okay, so let it be, but like for normal employee, if employee is active, let's select another employee, another employee. If I save it, so it will like save latitude and longitude. So this is how you can capture the exact location of the employee while checking in checkout. So we are getting some note. So this check-in is outside assigned shift hours and will not be okay. This is just a warning, you can ignore it. So this is all about this video, how you can capture employee check-in, like employee exact location while check-in and check-out, while creating employee check-in and employee check-out. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. And that's all for this video. Thank you, have a nice day.